sorry to disturb you. My name is Chief. I live in Nigeria. It seems like you're new.
Oh, sorry, I don't understand what you say. Come again? Can you recap?
Can I recap?
Yeah, because I'm finding it so difficult to understand your literary genes. Please, can you recap? Forgive me manners.
Okay.
I've forgotten that you're an illiterate.
I like that
From
one.
a primitive, rigid arena. Why are you smiling?
The English is nice. Just that I don't understand what you're saying.
Whatever. What I mean is, come again. Can you repeat yourself?
Oh! I said it seems like you're new. You're not from this village. Huh?
Oh, not really. You know, though I alerted from Lebanon a few days ago. Yeah, my first trip was in Cape Town, in South Africa. From Cape Town to Liberia, Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur.
Yeah.
Is that where they drink?
No. Jeez. Are you kidding me?
No.
Shit. Oh my. You are so rigid. Your level of understanding is so campulavoation. It's campualating. Anyways, Kuala Lumpur is in Liberia.
Oh,
overseas.
Oh, overseas.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that one. I like that one. All right.
You guys are supposed to have something upstairs. Yeah. Oh, what a beat. I love your hairstyle. It is called Shaba.
Shaba?
Yes.
No.
Say it.
We don't call it Shaba here. We call it punk. Punk is not punk like pig meat. This one is punk like hairstyle.
Really?
Punk, yes.
Okay, that's nice. Well, sorry. To correct this impression, in case of next time, while talking to me, you shift.
Oh, sorry.
Makina bumaso.
Oh, sorry.
I don't like it when you do bumaso on my organic skin.
Your organic skin?
Yeah, it's so expensive. So, anyways, I'll pardon you because you're cute.
I'd like to see you again.
Really?
Yes.
You'd like to see me again?
Yes.
Anyways, to see a lady of my caliber, of my personal volition, it will cost you a lot, you know, and I don't stand under hot sun because of my skin vagulation pigment.
Hey, Dikeh.
Yeah. So when next we see, you take me to somewhere cool.
No problem.
Somewhere lungujuain.
Lungujuain.
Somewhere bunguvating.
I like that.
Somewhere like Villa Gardenier.
Okay.
Vungu La Poussoir. Bangodun Janguvual.
Hey.
Yes.
There's problem. Oh.
Yeah. So, anyways,
it's alright.
you remember?
Yes, I remember.
The way you're talking to me, you shift.
Okay, no problem.
Makina Abumasa.
Oh, sorry.
Abunamasa. Abunamaso.
No, I won't try that.
Okay, shift.
Alright, let's we'll see next time, eh?
Okay.
Alright, you take care of yourself,
Wow. So there are cute guys in this primitive, local, unsophisticated vicinity. Anyways, they are all illiterates. I do not mingle with illiterates, whether cute or not.
Hey! Good man.
You see, I decided to bring you to this place. I chum carry the other side. Understand? There's no need of wasting time. After wasting time, we will not catch meat.
Yes.
You see this bush?
If other bush can fail me, this bush cannot fail me. Do you understand? You see that place? If we go to that place, we will waste all our days looking for even small animal we cannot get. But you see here, I get what I. So what you have to do now, follow from here. Let me follow from this side.
Okay, so I follow here. But this bush now with this snake last week. But someone call level for your side now. You want to kill me?
The snake where you see last week, you tell you say in red shop there. The snake no get where in they go again. The snake and where born aga or just not there check. No, use your head. And have you forgotten that you are just an apprentice? One more. Or God will tell you what to do, and you are telling me, are you ordering me? Okay, no, tell me to go that side. Listen to me, oh. Be very, very careful. If I give you order, you take my order, and let my order be the last. No suggestion from you. I follow this side.
I'm like, I see where one mama go.
That drink you bring, what I use accept as. See, come, how can hello? Hey, sorry. Let's go this side.
Nah, I don't like what this thing. I don't like this guy thing, no. I don't like him. See where you just say my they on. Lion fit inside this bush, oh.
Lion dey there. Bush where vegetable food.
Is that?
Come on, idiot, enter there.
See, concentrate. Animals don't like noise making. Watch, one all like to reach shy body. And I'm going to pepper soup. No go like it share.
Not true. I don't see something.
You don't see what? Antelope. I need a bit on an antelope. Idiot.
Hey! I talk him saying I'm forming. They form.
Are you expecting any madman?
They put another person profession. They talk saying I didn't get the profession. Why him be professor for lying and selling? I said it. Even I had not started. So this is the clearing and forwarding. Amadi. I told them that you are useless from the beginning. Now the use don't come out. You are less.
Man. So all this. No, it's like this rumor I'm hearing. It's like it's true.
Which rumor?
I hear say this guy nowhere.
It is Chris. Now you, Amadi, your own head no decorate. All your age mates, even some hunters who I know, I never see any hunter with catapult. In your magajabangu. Hunters they use better pump action. They use better AK-47. They use even double bar.
Come, let me ask you, how my hunting take affect? No, just ask this man. How my hunting take affect you?
Amadi,
how is it your business?
All your age mates they outside country the hustle. Some they Ghana, some Turkey, some Philippines, some Indonesia, some South Africa, even Ghana. You know one go.
Then you uncle. My mates are outside country, Philippines. This one, the only places you know in all the countries, you carry all of them on your head. If you Chinese issue, then you yourself, what are you doing here? And how dare you enter? What? No. How dare you? Wait. I can't. You're quiet in my village, boy. Okay, I cannot be here. That you are fighting. I'm going to fight. I'm there for. Okay, hold me first. Wait. Two of you.
No. I know this reason for this.
Like I tell you, this is your heart. They know the reason for hunt. Your mate where they hunt and better gone. You come this see your heart. Two of now.
Now let me tell you for the last time. The only thing you can say, or the only thing you can be telling me, how this person traveled to Hong Kong, how this person traveled to Philippines. You yourself, you can never, any day you travel, the highest travel you travel is just no here or here. Any day you walk up on the check out you. And if see, it will make you here, make you here.
Any travel na travel. Keke na 3 legs, plane na 3 legs. When you go no say keke they fly now, one trailer overtake them, you go fly.
Boy, children.
Okay,
no.
Who they hold you? You go hear about me now. Say you never pay for the catapult.
Am I talking to you? Is it talking?
Hey, even the catapult the way you want use the catapult the way you want you shoot, you never pay. Hey, I think say me was for this village. I don't know say
Madrid dey their language.
But you talk say in the do
This guy, now he throw away that Madam Cass tomato for market. It's still there. Which you do? Nah, sure. No, say Madrid is different.
Make I break your heart.
Make I tell you, throughout this year as well, he did a good mosquito.
Oh, fight them.
Mosquito. You know go kill. Run there go.
You can't kill you. Mosquito.
Okay, let me make a fire guy. Okay,
come here. Yeah. Go. Come here also. Huh? catapult. Just catapult him na another. You ram mama okute. Tigi anime. Ina bagin. You're going to make a sugar and I'm you're going to make a sugar.
Stop talking to me in here now. I know it's my weak point. This is answer, man. Stop this thing. Wait. You know, say people go to pass here now. They go. If you say these two kids, as umaka, so that I also, guy, guy only want to be side. Guy got two mic a
Okay, you know what happened? Let me go to that place and come back. I will. You don't know.
Mimi, why no one stay long with me? Ngo le bran go na ro ko se la wa na ro ko ina mala o te le man na no ta ka eli bi na ganye ke ro kempa we never go for Mecca, never go Mecca we be yem na sis.
Okay, if you want to go to Mecca, come, let's go now, because I want to go and see my cousin Felicia that just returned to the village.
Okay, now person when you want go see now you dey make you day in a hurry.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry, my love.
And you know say we no fit go do anything now. We no fit go for Mecca now. Where Naza dey inside?
Naza, don't worry. Oh, let's go to Mecca, Jeremy. I'm not sleeping. I'm going to sleep for this year. Better if you want to do any Mecca, no Mecca, better go inside because I want to sleep. And better do fast, because if you don't do fast, you come for and drag you outside.
You go drag you outside.
Oh, good. I hope you not take a boji.
As you are saying that I'm not a strong man.
Let's go inside. No, Naza, no. I told that to Naza, leave Naza.
I will catch you. Do you know left for me? I would have said, let's just spend a little time again.
You know it's getting late. I want to go and prepare food for my sisters.
This your sisters every time you are rushing to prepare food. Your sisters, can't they prepare food on their own without you coming to the kitchen?
Don't worry. Forget my sisters. Don't worry, I'll see you tomorrow.
Sure. My mind is telling me that you are lying. My mind is telling me that you are lying. My mind is telling me that you are lying to me now.
Okay, I'm not lying to you.
No problem. You know what? You have to be going while I be looking at your shape. I want to be the one to look at it.
You can close your eyes. I want to give you something.
I don't want to close my eye. I'm not closing. I'm packing. I'm closing it. I don't want to open it. I'm closing it. I said it. I said that you want to do something funny. I said you want to do something funny. My child got a gym shusha. Neriwe kissing just for rich man's sake. I will make it. Nothing. I will make it. Nice, but sometimes girls can be stupid though. Instead of this girl to look into my mouth and kiss me, she's kissing the head. How do I transfer my mouth to my head? I don't know any kiss whether I may lie. Stubborn or that. Behave yourself, hey, come, behave. Don't behave. You never reach behave.
Yeah, I thought I told you people not to stay long. What happened? Naza, if you are the one enjoying the tea, you should never finish.
Tell her.
Is that why you left me here and you were shouting like good that they don't take care? That sound is the fun of it.
That's the new trend. Like I tell you, you supposed to go church as I look you now, go give thanksgiving. Say you use your ear, hear the sound, use your eye, they see us as we come outside. Because this is now the first half. Second half, now the Champions League finals. Me against her. You go, that one you go here. Get the oh. That one she feel at chimo. If I come ask people, chimo. For the Champions League, we go play. You go know say na me be serious.
After taking Abo gym, want to come and make you less smart.
That your gym. He no sabi do the thing. Now in the say gym Abo. If he sabi do the thing, he no go to sell Abo. I sabi the business. That's why I don't take Abo gym.
My lord. See, let me go quick so I can come back. Let's look for one place and finish this.
Yeah, keep on walking to Lion. No, the bush. I come back. Come back on time, I beg.
Fairly.
Hey! Shit! Egg! What is smelling? IJ, why are you smelling of semen? Did you meet a man? Oh, obviously. He ejaculated inside of you. Why didn't you have a proper bath? Or better still, use a sweet-smelling saboritic perfume.
Felicia. How am I smelling? Felicia, is that this school you went and made you to start insulting people, Abi? Felicia, it's not your fault. I left Ojuka was supposed to be here and see you and you're insulting me. You're a very stupid girl.
Nonsense. She's from here! Idiots! Oh my Jesus. She just polluted my air. Idiots! Local village champion. All these archaic, unsophisticated ladies. Everywhere! Cheap local prostitutes. Idiots. They come here to go on our soul. How dare you?
Come back! Mumu, come here. Where did they go? Where do you think you are going? What's the meaning of that? Where they go? You see your business? Are you the one handling my movement? Are you the one telling me where I go and where I don't go? Are you the one that is monitoring my spirit? Where are you to ask me where they go?
You get moral. Since you think you are strong, why you hide? Why you see me? As you are coming, you went back.
Me? I came out here and I came out that I came.
You are not a stammerer.
I came out from the out of the came out that I
idiot. Make I tell you.
I came in.
Make I tell you. You see this village? It go enter me and you if you leave our farm alone. If you're a hunter, hunt in another farm. Don't hunt any bush fowl, any bush meat in our farm. Leave farm. Don't let the way enter our bush. Don't let the way enter our farm. The yam where they at the elementary. I beg, I think God beg you. Stay clear for our bush.
See, I have somewhere very, very important to go. And I have another reasonable thing to do. You are not one of the problems that I'm having today. If you block my way, what I will do to you, you will not like it.
Make I tell you.
I will deal with you if you don't take time.
Since I know you, there's nothing important where you don't do. Anything concerning you, useless. make I tell you something. It's either you travel, leave this village, or you change another village, go the hunt for this village.
But you don't you ever. I want to get you touch me.
Even if you put them Everest tools, I will touch you. Make I not touch you. So what will happen?
Did you touch me?
I would. You said, did I touch you?
Just just for the last time, if you think that I will not bury you, if you let me give my book it, no, you just
Remind you what you have yesterday.
try and touch me.
You know, say go the hide farm will be back.
Just try and touch me.
You know, ask about me village, yo. Now me be Ojuku.
Touch me.
No, beside the fear to touch. I know.
I will keep. Just touch me.
Who the?
Touch me again. Just if you think you are strong, touch me again. Yeah, him get money.
No, come back now. Maybe you can get a phone. You are hiding. In this village, it's either you travel. It's either you travel, or I kill you. When you say you go every time you translate and transmit yourself every bush with your catapult. Where am I even going? Wait for me, in fact. I know the follow this boy. You know inside bush with catapult. If you connive with all this bushmeat, they will fight me inside bush. I know they go there. I'm not coming, idiot! Now go on.
So, Feli, I'm waiting at the tell you so that you go play.
Hey! Damn it!
Huh?
Damn it! What the heck? Oh God. Oh my God. Casey, do you know what you are? You are a vagaborious, stupendous, aquatic, apologizing aquatus. You blue-blooded species of a man. How dare you want me, a beautiful damsel like me, to stoop so low in dating that rigid, primitive, undeveloped aquarism of a herbalist? How dare you?
I see, Feli. Feli, sorry. You don't say you be my sister, I be your brother. No be me and you go the same university where you go. When next you won't speak this big grammar, as your brother, you help me. Body here, they can't body magini move.
Damn it!
My word down.
Damn it!
Sorry.
Look, I have a serious problem with you, Casey. The problem is that I find it so difficult to comprehend your phonetics and phonology. You can't even express yourself in a simple English. I am all ears. Start explaining. I have no time. Thank you.
Oh no. Oh no, my fault. You see, I dem mad. How can I tell my fine sister? May you go marry or love that village herbalist, ordinary herbalist. They won't go in a dark number. No be waiting at the talk now, understand me?
So what are you trying to say in essence?
Bam.
Because I can't comprehend your vocabularization impetus.
Yeah. In sense, what I dey tell you say, in sense, like you talk, in sense, I won't tell you or I be dey tell you. I don't tell you before, so I dey tell you be now. See, you see all these village boys, then they make small money, they don't know how to spend it. So I want you, like they tell me your brother, make I comprehend. I want you of us me will comprehend. That is, I be kotono.
Oh, this is naughty, bro.
Yes, I'm naughty.
Okay, as long as I can comprehend your little
Thank you.
English, you're trying to say that I should portray myself in a sexy manner so as to get little cash from those primitive village boys.
Thank you.
You are so intelligent.
I'm intelligent.
High five.
High five.
I know all this why that I have a brother who has something upstairs.
Thank you.
Your medulla oblongata is still active.
Yes. And see, that's that boy. They are
Ide kumuoka. Lekon. All the money ihe niile ego niile m tara ahụhụ kpata ga university enwu.
Hey,
Ibianga kele.
Eyeballs!
Omerelo.
Want to blind my eyeballs?
Lekon le laziness.
Please bring it down, okay?
But I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy, brother.
Go shed. Asimunga workshop on gina workshop. How do we bring na gari aga pata ego wete n'ulo. You know get iri ego
I'm not lazy. Tell him that I'm not lazy.
Shit! Ina abuma so.
Me.
Ina abuya so.
Do you know how much I spend on my cream on daily basis?
Where?
I use organic. Say it.
Na problem organ.
Organic. You can't even afford it.
Ina problem organ.
So spitting at me!
Brother, ina abuya so.
Shit! Ina abuma so from this side.
Sorry, brother, ina abuya so.
Ina abuma so.
Sorry, everything.
Lekokwe. Yeah, oku investment mo. Ejikole atashiri meze. Akokola nyango.
Oh! When I boost your investments are so.
Hey, chukwa no mbano.
No, I want to understand. Stop it! Can't you understand?
Oh no.
Ina abuma so.
Ina abuya so.
Your investments are so. Do you understand that? Look at my skin. Oh my God.
Sorry.
I can't stay here.
Sorry, ina abuya so.
The mouth is latrine. I'm in latrine. Go and brush your teeth this time when you talk to me. Nonsense, damn it.
Let's on more relationship. Hey, get out! Okay, the issue. Oshimole onwe. Okay, the issue thing. Here, what I know. But upon you could make that egala ni. Akwe investment.
He say ina abuya so.
Ilala ni yakwan asan bu.
Brother, ina abuya so.
When how the issue ebe ni. Issue da lo. Sala chance. Nya ri gidi ni.
Ina abuya so.
Chinaza. Kesero Chinaza. Chinaza. Hi. Udina keme maro. Udina keme omega. Omega. Ogida beba now. Kamu muwana jawa he. Ojuku. Yeah, even at home. Ojuku, if you tire, I don't leave you finish. Follow another girl. Where we say the girl not to stay for here. From nowhere, she come. This week, that.
Ujinaka that I saw on Monday. No, on Saturday that we went for road walk.
I'm not telling you on our friendship don't enter. I know. Now when pregnant come outside, you go know. That I go clear for your eyes. Say Ujinaka don't leave you. I don't even have your time. You know, I see me now. I just need to rest. I come myself down. I come and bring down. Don't worry, you still know. You don't know. You go know soon.
Ojuku, come. What are you saying?
Come.
Bye typhoid. Bye malaria. Bye typhoid. Bye jadi. Bye jadi. Okay, no get the one where you want to. Bye jadi. Bye typhoid. Bye headache. Even cough day. Bye cough. Bye headache. Bye jadi. Bye washing and set. Bye rising and falling.
Come. I'm not happy. I'm telling you.
Time for the day.
Abo man, good day.
Welcome, Daddy. How far? Which one I want?
I need rising and falling.
Hey.
Give me.
Bye rising and falling. Yeah, we could hear kutu.
Oga, you get out so with the drop person.
Akuku.
Eh.
Odo pole. I get them.
Okay.
What you got this?
Shivy.
Just hold me. For our family, that's how they do us. If you read the piece us here, or the warriors. Ah, if you no run, you go piss am for body. Now you make I boom.
Miss them.
Yeah.
Miss them what you make. Oga miss this thing for us.
Which one you say make I miss?
Odana rise and falling.
With this one where they shake person. The word of Jerry, I mean rising and falling.
Rising and falling.
You know what? That rising and falling, it don't finish.
Maybe be this one where they shake the
Oga, we don't do it bad thing. No, no be say
I have my money, I will give you. I will pay.
No be say you no get money. Waiting there here now. Carry and go. Now here remain. Oga, why now?
Oga Abo. Oga Abo.
With our money.
You see?
If guy,
you get bad luck.
Guy, who could they come out safe? At the vest
here. They go now, they go. They go.
There's nothing. Don't worry. Kill you. Yeah, George.
Honey.
Yeah.
This way your clothes is like this. I don't understand.
In this village, I don't want people to see me as one kind big man. I just bring myself too low. Do you understand? That's why, if you know me, if you come to the city and see my office, you see my class, you know the kind of person I am.
Well, honey.
Yeah.
Even your clothes. Is this the style? I mean, designers.
Oh, no. I have to call my houseboy and borrow all these clothes from him. Yes.
Okay,
yes. I don't want people to notice that I'm a rich man. That's why I'm disguising myself. It's not easy to live this kind of life. Do you understand?
My mom. Yeah. When do you start? When you start to drink Heineken? I saw some movement. Somebody running like this now. Why is Ojinaka running? Is Ojinaka now fearful of me? He go see me the run. Person why come in house come see. But with the color why they see, no be Ojinaka color. That color yellow. I been done the rubber bleaching cream. I've been on your clothes. But anyway, I make I represent the person.
But you're sitting down.
I'm standing up. Hey. Since you are blind not to see where I am. Now the Heineken sweet. Hey. No, I'm saying this. I didn't code. Yeah, and I don't get feed for you. I be buying from outside. My sister, you're not comfortable.
Hey.
Your legs they shake. Your head they shake.
I'm comfortable. Ojuku, are you coming or you're going?
I'm going and coming. I be playing. I will rotate. They ask me whether I want finish them. I know you finish them. You remember the one why I don't finish them. The one way inside, the way they inside cup. This one where they for here. Still take up. I can still finish them by His grace.
Ojuku.
Wait. I know say you won't make I go. No problem. I'm going. You know what will happen?
No.
That person will run come inside. If no Jinaka, tell her say, may you come to my house. Don't play the bottle. Only one bottle. No tell her say I want crate I drink. Now one bottle.
I go with the bottle.
You need to. Tell him to come to my house and play this. Do I wear your plate on the head?
Ojuku.
What's it?
I love you. I be this, I be that. Like see waiting they happen. These three people. Now I
Who will punish you? Honey.
I will strike you, eh? I will strike you.
If I tell you you are from the wrong come out, you won't believe it. Do you know that as I'm just coming out from calm down now. I explain something to you. Calm down. Let me just say something with you. Am I not your friend? What are friends for? You know this is the come. Even if I don't see the come. No people will talk say a friend is a friend is a friend.
You don't want job?
Huh?
You don't want job?
You dey give me for hand.
No, collect them for this.
Wait, I want to tell you something. Relax. Do you know as I went to my babe's house, that useless boy called Ojuku from nowhere appear, finish my drink.
What's it?
Huh?
What's with that?
I said the way the guy finished me. You know they get with her, they tell you. I said that guy came to where I was with one man. He finished me up to that. And I was like, who could be?
Leave this now. Nah, see. I don't even know why. Anytime I want job, now that time you come as in that time you come here.
That is why white people say a friend in fruit is a friend in. That's why white people say a fruit in friend. That's why people say it
don't do. White man say a friend in fruit, a friend. See, man, tell you, this one go be first and last day one go to chop. First and just first and last day man go to chop. You waka enter here. See, anytime I chop, road they come. I don't think you know they mingle with that guy. What do they call him? Amade Ojubu. See, you know they mingle with that guy. That guy can kill you. That guy not get joy. For you to handle that boy, you must have strength to handle him. If you don't get strength, you know if you handle him. So allow me, let me just enjoy my meal, please.
But give me small.
Enough with.
Give me small.
Enough.
Give me small.
Enough with try. You know start with try.
Man, you steal my man. Give me small. Give me small. I'll be your friend. Give me small.
You see, I give you small. You want to clean your mind. At least me, you know, get grudge from me for mind. I'm supposed to say you be my best friend. I make you give you.
Eh?
Na so person go tell you help person. In return,
you behind the man? No? Still KG engine or share.
No try near you. I don't tell you. I dey get on temper. No try.
Your mates are eating on the dining table. Lẹ́yìn jèrè ni. Right. Nna do dori. I really like the meat.
Honey,
Yeah, baby.
you are the real dude. Like I always say.
Can I say that again? See, this place now, we call it Ini Edo.
You know what?
Ini Edo. And sometimes I come here to eat the meat. This one, it's called fuku.
Fuku?
Fuku. It's sweet.
Ew.
Just a bite.
No.
Fuku is usually sweet.
I don't like this.
You
This
like
is too local and primitive. I want chicken. Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. But do you have fried chicken?
I don't want chicken.
You don't have shawarma?
I don't want shawarma.
Even
I want
Pringles.
Felicia.
Oh, hi, bro.
What are you doing here with this man? Hey, officer! Joy!
Oh,
Hey!
honey. This is my big bro.
Oh, your brother.
Yeah, his name is Mbaka.
Mbaka, nice meeting you. My name is Sergeant Mike.
Hey, Unami. You see this, my sister? It is yours. This is the type of in-law I want. Not all those Abu and all those foolish people. Mrima, we work.
This is brother is really funny. Don't worry, please. Get me another pepper soup, a plate.
Yeah, baby.
Then give him whatever he wants to drink.
Please, my Pringles.
Get Pringles for my baby, okay?
Oh, the boy shawarma.
Time there, mango. Wala.
She feed you?
No. Ayami.
Sergeant Mike, please. Sergeant Mike.
Okay, Sergeant Mike, my in-law. You know what's wrong with me?
I don't like this. You have carrots, eh?
Oh.
The rose, not the brutes, please.
Mommy, I had the...
I think about rose if you are here now.
Oh, the children.
And this your brother is so funny.
Yeah, he's so funny. Big bro, what you just did now is called Fantastic Orlando.
Wow.
God. My grandma queen.
Baby. So let me give you your
officer.
Fuku.
Officer.
Fuku.
Let me give you your fuku.
Mini.
Yeah.
That's good. You sure you don't want to taste it?
No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I like things with cheese, like cheese or hot dog. Do you have hot dog?
Yes, hot dog.
You don't have hot dog here.
Regina, are you not going to the market to sell your own medicine? Or instead you're here thinking, what's bothering you? Eh? Regina, talk to me now, what is bothering you?
Can't you see I am thinking? As a man, I am supposed to think. Every man of my age is supposed to wake up one morning, sit down and think about your life. So that is exactly what I did here they do. Allow me make I think, make I reason.
No problem. I hope something reasonable will come out from that you're thinking. I hope this you're thinking will bring food on the table.
From agricultural implements. Even organ ike nwa agadi mbaze eji egwuji obi eji amaji oga umcheche echiche ote mmosita ji ihuna Jesus Christ jiri ogba achiche ise na aza anọ weke obodo. If thinking do bring food into people's family, why not all of you gather here and let us start thinking? And at the end of thinking, I am willing to eat.
You're the man of the house now. Why are you talking like this?
I am the man of the house.
You're the man of the house.
You are the slave of the house, isn't it? I am the man of the house, then you are the slave of the house.
After that you're thinking, you go and take your food inside the cupboard. Me, I want to go to the market. Wait, Mbechi! Sister! Come, please. Give me my bag, I want to go to the market.
Okay, sister.
You think food will come out? Hmm? There's nothing there. Come and say this. Where is Akudo?
She's inside.
Please come and check for them.
Okay. Chikwado! Akudo!
Yes.
People should come and start is coming. This will fit like this.
Stop shaking your leg. Sister, are you going now? I have to go to the market. What are you doing?
Let me follow you.
Don't follow me. Watch the pot. So that if I come, I'll see the pot I use and cook too.
Yes, sister.
You can start slicing those stuff.
Brother. Sister, hope you buy something for us. At least
I
boss.
don't know. Let me follow you now.
Stay in the house.
Sister, me, I need money. Don't answer me. Nothing else.
Sister, boss. Take care of him. Go and bring out his crystal. He will eat. That's how you do it. You will not believe that. Let me go and serve you the food. But as you do that, I'll do the yes and you're doing
Where are you going to?
Brother, leave him now.
Hey,
No will come out.
Damn. Chill.
Damn.
I am going to see my visitor out there.
Simple.
Who is waiting outrageously out there for me.
You don't know, yeah?
And let's remind you, when next a young pretty damsel is going out, old men with grey hair don't talk to them, okay?
Thank you.
I want to use the door. Be a good boy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Brother, leave her before you boy. I saw again. Small time now she'll be saying you bomb my soul, you bomb my soul. Please.
You have triggered the fire. You are here before you in your present. What I'm to do? You did not talk.
Brother, you cannot bomb my soul. You cannot bomb my soul. Brother, you got bomb my soul.
Wow, look who we have here.
Hi.
Pretty Felly. You look so beautiful always. My Felly baby, you're looking so lovely.
Oh my dude. You're welcome.
Thank you, love. Wow, you look so lovely and charming.
Thank you.
I love your outfit.
Thanks. You're welcome, okay?
Thank you, love.
You tried.
Yeah.
You find your way to my house?
Actually, it was not really easy locating this place, but I have to do anything for my Felicita.
Thank you, darling.
That reminds me, I have a gift for you.
Wow.
Hold on. I bought this beautiful bag for you on my way coming here.
Oh my jeez. Hon,
Yeah,
all these magnificent stealing bullies gifts for me?
Oh my God.
Oh.
You kill me with your words.
Oh my
See,
God.
I bought this and I'm ready to do more for you.
You know what? You are the real dude.
Thank you, baby.
Woo.
Why don't you go inside? Change to something very lovely. I want to take you around the town.
Oh, that would be great. But before then, can you give me my cinnamonic nomelic?
Cinnamonic.
I mean, my cinnamonic nomelic. In other words, the nylon.
Oh my God, is that what? Cinnamonic.
Yeah.
God, you're good with big grammar.
Thank you. Package it well.
Okay, baby.
Because this is a very special gift.
Yes.
From my military tycoon. Oh.
Mike the military.
Mike the military, you're right.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
So,
this is just the beginning. I'm going to spoil you with gifts.
Okay.
Trust me.
I'll be with you in a jiffy.
Okay, baby. I'm waiting for you.
Bye.
My baby. my filigrama. Baby, I feel like following you, so you tell me.
I'm coming.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. Be fast, baby.
Alright.
I can't believe it is mine now.
Oh my jingles. This is what we call fantabulous inner
Hey!
Thank you.
Oh my.
Felicia! I hope you know what you are doing. Eh? I hope you know what you are doing.
High five.
Okay.
Yes. Go. It's your property.
Yeah. Let me go and deposit my Bambantus Phenomenous precious Tudulous gifts. Right?
No, Eli. You want to deposit it to who? The bag is yours, so now you get them.
You see what you are doing. The next one, she will bring pregnancy. You can bring one.
Brother. In Abu Mansur.
Brother.
Brother, in Abu Mansur.
Hi. Oh, I love you more.
Hey.
You're crazy.
For no. I will tell her for no.
I'm beginning to like you though.
No.
Oh my god. Oh.
I got not back to English.
Honey, I'll be wanting to tell you about this hair. Like woman hair, I would like you to get for me. It is called Fibra Leotim Human Haiti. It is sold for 100,000 naira only. And I would like to use it by weekend. Yeah.
Hey! You're welcome. I talk up. I said it. In my spirit, they tell me, say, go. The other mind, they tell me, no go. Go. The other mind, they tell me, no go. Go. I can't say my obey the other mind. Come out. Come here soon and they enjoy themselves. That's good. That's wonderful. Baba! Baba, before you go come, now you go change mine. I take my hand. Oh, this is my one. Baba, come. Hey. What do you have?
I get everything. What do you want?
Okay. Give me hero. Hero. And excuse me, if you want to give me hero, put a meat. Give me exactly this type of meat. See. This type, eh?
This type.
Hi, bro.
Hey, Auntie Bromaso.
High
High five. Is it what a high five?
Yeah. Oh, cheese.
Oh, is it like a high five?
Cheers.
Cheese, I know. Thank you, sir. Bring me.
Cheers, bro.
Oh. Yes.
I was telling him about the hair. The woman hair I want him to buy for me. Just 100,000 naira only.
Oh, well,
yeah.
He would do it.
Yeah.
I know. I think you're not eating. Is it not sweet? Just take one, like, if you take one now, like this, you put that for match.
That's well done.
Well done.
I want clothes, so we're gonna give me my money. Everything now, 5,000.
Now you go pay.
Hey, honey, are you okay?
Now him go pay.
Are you okay?
When I do make a
Now him go pay.
No, see, not done the come.
It's okay.
Yes.
Damn it, it's okay.
No. Now what's it?
Honey, are you okay? Jeez. Ow! Oh my gosh!
Obogaso! Hey,
What's he doing? Let's go. Go behind there. Go behind.
Yeah.
Just go.
I feel like vomiting.
Shit,
in our family, we have a angrabo. Oh, here no, Brian.
No.
Please go.
Don't pull my soul. Don't pull my soul.
Don't pull my soul. Oh my God.
Oh,
Kelechi. You wanted to pull my soul. You wanted to pull my soul.
Yes. Don't pull my sister's soul.
Oh my goodness. Oh my jeez.
Oh gee.
He wanted to pull my soul.
I think pull my soul.
Shit, please. Don't sting me. What the heck?
Thank you. The meat.
I hate hanging around with illiterates.
Thank you.
Who's trying to.
Huh? Good morning. I think I told you I want to close. No. Our in-law will pay.
My hubby is coming. He's coming. Okay, chill. He's coming.
He's coming. Not here. He's coming.
Honey.
Let me just wait. Please,
Honey.
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 What's holding him back there?
I don't know.
Is he still bullying us all?
It's like. Let me ask you. Are you still bullying us all?
Please make sure you wash your hand with all the disinfectants available. Yes. With Ditto. Izal.
Okay.
Yeah.
You had him.
I think I told him I want to close. Please give me the money, 5,000 now. I want to close.
Let me just.
Honey!
Honey!
I know don't bully us all.
Honey!
Go and look out for him, okay?
Okay, I should go.
Yeah.
I think Mama, I'm coming. Is it this way? This way. Okay.
Oh my G.
Honey!
Oh.
Honey!
How much is that again?
I said 5,000 now.
5,000 naira. Only?
Yes. 5,000, please.
Alright.
Yeah.
Just 5,000 naira?
Yeah.
Oh jeez. That's a little sum of money though. I don't know if you have what we call symptomatic Valengian magnesium in there.
Please come again.
I said, I don't know if you have Zalandium magnesium in there.
This you're talking about, is it a drink or
Hot dog, something hot, something spicy.
No, I don't have it.
You don't have it?
What I have said here is beer and other things.
Good! You're right. Nice boy. I like you. You have something upstairs. That means your medulla oblongata is still active. Go in there and get me hot beer.
Hot beer?
Yeah.
Hot beer.
Something spicy.
But you was drinking cold one before.
Sometimes I swap. Yeah, I swap.
Okay, you need hot one now.
Due to my system, yeah.
Your system.
Please get in there, wasting my time.
Okay, sit down. Let me get it for you.
I'll be sitting down.
I'm coming now.
Thank you. Yeah. I know you will have it. Honey!
I don't have it. My sister. Customer. Customer.
Hey! Where are you running from? What did they chase you? I need to chase something.
Thank you. All this small money where I got, why I say make I just buckle up. I don't know, say some people don't they envy me. As I they come back now from bush on here, I see battalions of boys. Nothing where they no carry. Group of boys, 7 from this side, 7 from the other side, 18 from this side. How we put out here one more quickly? Why?
Why be from Nigeria?
So one name. And what do you do when that neighbor? They are now AK-47. AK-47. I want AK-49. I want AK-52. Where AK-91?
Yes.
How to do me?
How much will I buy here? We shouldn't happen. No, I can't have. I seen a drenching on Atoralame. You know, I know you. You know, I know you too well. Me and you from the same day we just grow up. Make I tell you, all this lie, where they lie, I know the truth. For this place, who they say AK-47? Who they say Anglet? If you tell me say they throw bomb come blow you, but you know die. Like I see first fete. Now line no zomba you be. Let me tell you.
What will be your own self? No, tell me what will be your problem now? I'm Usocha.
What be your own problem? Now you go tell me what happened to me. I been me go tell you what happened to me. I dey tell you how I survived. I survived when I'm money.
I no need to ask Google what happened. I know what happened. Now you don't want to tell me.
I don't get your time.
Oh, Jenna.
I don't get your time.
What is your problem? Your own case is you don't have a boyfriend, you don't have a husband, and you don't have a toaster. You don't even have somebody that is even thinking of toasting you. And you are there making noise. What is your problem? You are jealous that your sister is in love with a rich man.
Sister, should we start going home?
No. Come here and do your blow close. Come here.
Go to the house and come in.
I say go to the house.
She said go to the house and you are there. I be asking. Eh? See this one. See what?
There was so.
Hey, my dear, how are you?
Should I stay with you? No, come on, enter inside then.
You see, in as much as your face no fine, you get reasonable husband. But as for that your first sister, tell her that I said that the only husband that will come and marry is will be a native dog.
I've been insulting my sister. See? Very salty though.
At least your sisters can warn you. Especially this fat one, she don't even know how to respect somebody.
She doesn't have respect at all.
Serious?
That's what I used to say in the house.
Ha! It's only the tiny one, that small one that looks like a candle. That's the one that I'm even trying to see if I will help. I will train that one in the university. But as for that your sister that lacks respect, I will purchase respect for her. I will go to the supermarket and buy respect for her.
Supermarket?
Yes.
They sell respect in the supermarket.
Hey, you don't know. As in, it's like tablet. When you take it pure, respect will come. Anybody is start respecting the person. Yes.
You see, that's why I love you so much.
That's why I cannot even joke with you. You are my love. You are my heart. You are my everything.
I want to give you something. I have something for you.
Want to give me something? And what could that be?
I can't give you here now. Yeah, no, you know what it is.
I don't want you to surprise me.
It's a surprise.
Surprise? Where do you want to give it to me?
It's what I didn't do now.
Where are we going to find for the second one?
Exactly.
Yes,
But
yes.
before then, let's do something.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Selfie.
I've seen myself.
It's a pouch.
Okay.
Say cheese.
Oh, beautiful. I know it's a second part, but we have. It's nice.
Who's Uchi?
Uchi is bushmeat.
Me?
Yes, we have bushmeat. We have Oko eye.
It sounds scary.
No, you like it.
What's Oko eye?
Oko eye is goat leg. Yes.
Hey, jeez.
Come on. Sorry.
Kinabumaso.
It's only a color.
Really? So, don't you have when you sell shawarma, pizza, onion Pringles? Would you like a pizza and lollipop sweet? Like costone? I don't want eye and what do you call it? No, I don't want such. Really?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's just follow out.
Okay. Your hands like this. Just one.
Okay, just one.
Yes. One step at a time. Let's go. One step at a time. Step at a time.
Oh, really? This is beautiful.
Oh, add gentle.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, like balance.
Okay.
Okay. One step.
One step
At a time. Let's go. One step at a time.
Oh, yeah, I come.
So, this guy they do. She know best one side. I mind my way with this guy. I carry another Abino enter village. Ha! Nketa na eri shi. Eze na eri.
1,000 naira currency. What am I supposed to do with this?
How am I supposed to know? Shit, now you wait the user know how much when they take buy the thing. Something one no. All I have here as a come and mojaga. Eh? I'm only on your manage this one. I go complete and better. You know what?
So what?
I say manage this one. Take a or better still if you get money, take complete buyer after.
Hi, damn it.
But
hey, don't smile too much. Make sure you complete this money in 2 days.
2 days is too far. Tomorrow morning, I got my wanaka with ready. I did not complete the money, or maybe I tried. I was not able to meet up with the money.